Hi everyone, this video is about calculating NDWI. NDWI stands for Normalized Difference Water Index. Now, there are two formulas of NDWI. First is measuring the water content in the water bodies, and second, this is the formula measuring water content in the water bodies. Green band minus NIR upon green plus NIR, where NIR stands for near infrared. And this formula NIR minus shortwave infrared upon NIR plus shortwave infrared is about measuring water content in the leaves of the plantation or the leaves of the agriculture crops. Now let us in this video we will calculate NDWI according to this formula. Now we need a satellite imagery. Go to ArcGIS. I have satellite imagery of Landsat 5. So band 2 corresponds to green band and band 4 corresponds to NIR band. Now the formula is green minus NIR upon green plus NIR. You can remove this black background. Image analysis. Now to calculate NDWI, go to Special Analyst Tools, go to Map Algebra, Raster Calculator. Now you need a float function. This band 2 minus band 4 divided by float band 2 plus band 4. You can click OK now. Now this is the NDWI image. Now this bright color generally represents a water body, so you can fill the value. Generally the threshold value for water is 0.3 to 0.5. So go to symbology, classified. In this we have to show only water bodies, so we need only two classes. Classify. Let us calculate, let us put the threshold value 0.3 and see how much the water is shown in the water body. So actually the values also depend upon the water quality. Let us see. Click blue color for showing water. Now here water content shown is very less. So I think it may be due to water quality. Now let us put the threshold value 1. Now put the value 1. Sorry, you can change the color. Now I think it is adequately representing water body. See, these are two rivers. Main river, these are also rivers showing. So we can create this NDWI map into by reclassifying. We can convert this NDWI map. So for reclassifying, go to multivariate. Sorry, not multivariate. We have to go to reclassify. Now just click this here. Yes. Okay. See, now you can easily save this by going into data exported, because two classes are shown. Now you can easily study the water content of the water bodies. Thank you all for watching this video.